To test the tipper, a rain gauge on the ATS22, we need to obviously log into Teraterm, which obviously we need to use our jumper. Just put the light back over that. Which I've just heat shrinked the jumper to my modem spanner just so I don't lose it, and it's obviously easier to get in and out. Goes on to J1, so there's J1 and J2. So just drop the jumper onto J1, and then obviously the comms port, the correct end, that one, into the comms port there. Just put the battery on a second. So you can see obviously it does the normal thing with the lights, goes through the configuration and setup. Just move that out the way slightly. I may just have to move the light. Plug your USB into whichever you're using, a laptop, touchpad, tablet, whatever. Open up Teraterm. On serial, click on serial, and then open up the options, and obviously this is what I've just plugged in, my USB COM7. Okay, just maximize and put my keyboard on, and then if I move this up, so this is your login page, if you like, when you come onto the ATS22. I'll just pan down a little bit. So you'll only get three options, which is system, sensors and modem. We're just interested in sensors because we're just checking this tipper. So if you select 2, you can either individually select the sensors, or you can just do all sensors. So you click do sensor test, which is T, and then you have basically main and duty, which is like battery and solar panel, and then all your inputs, your dedicated chains, extension A and B, which is all your add-ons to the actual thingy. So because we've only got the tipper, we can just click all sensors, which is A. Just give it a few seconds to come up. It's quite small print, so just make it clearer. So you'll see here it's precipitation, which is the tipper. At the moment it obviously says 0.0 because nothing has gone through the tipper. But to check the tipper, I'll just zoom back out. If you manually just tip it a few times, and then wait for the next refresh, so it just constantly keeps refreshing, so it's obviously done 2 there. Look, you'll see that the number will change, and then hopefully then you know that's working correctly. So now obviously it says 1.4 because obviously I've moved it. So now we know the tipper works, and then the lid, the main body, can be clipped back into place with those 3 pins, and then that unit can actually be installed on your tabletop or whichever application you're using.